welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are having an amazing day on today. You guys, if you're interested in this wig right here, this is Outrage's Color Bomb Lace Front Wig in the style Titan, okay, which features these peekaboo colors. So if you're interested in her, by all means, make sure you check out all my thoughts on her up above in the video card. But this video right here, I will be reviewing It's a Wig HD Lace Wig in the style HD Lace Crimped Hair 8. Okay, I have liked their crimped units before, so hopefully this one doesn't disappoint either. This is in the color, baby, where my color at? Oh, this is in the color OMT 1B Caramel Night. So without further ado, you guys, let's get into it. come on into the room, okay? Because this It's a Wig HD lace crimped hair 8. She tried it, okay? She tried it. I have her in the color OMT 1B Caramel Night, okay? I love this color. Color is gorgeous, okay? Color is gorgeous. This is my color right here on the stock card, right there. All right, and then the back, it just gives you some specs about the 5G True HD Lace Wig, okay? Now, my girl is heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees, and thank God she is, because straight out the pack, sis, she was giving me a peacock moment up here, okay? She was humping down, okay? Humpty Dumpty. I don't know what was going on with that. And I think it's just the crimped, it just shouldn't have been put up there, especially how this parting space is, because it's a left side part unit, which the hairline needs some work, okay? Like, it's too many baby hairs. I don't really like, I don't care for the hairline. I don't really care for it at all, okay? I really don't. I didn't care for I didn't care for the abundance of baby hairs in the front, all right? Now, this unit is on the thinner side, because like I can even feel tracks over here, okay? On this side, not really, but this side over here, yes, I can feel some tracks, okay? So this might be one you have to fluff out the crimps on. I didn't really do too much fluffing. I just, you know, ran my fingers through it a little bit to give it a little bit more volume, but you definitely could run your fingers through it some more to make it volume out some more if that's what you so choose. Now, if you do so, she's going to become a little frizzy. I don't know if that's coming across on camera, but she did become a little frizzy when I did that, so that's why I didn't manipulate it too much, but maybe some mousse will tame it. Now this unit, I'm 5'4". It comes down about right below my breast area on me. But honey, I love the color, okay? This color is everything. I just wish she was constructed just a little bit better, okay? But she is big hair friendly because she's not snug on my head. I like that. I just feel like the wig construction needs some work. That parting space, honey. The parting space was not what's up out the packaging. So I went in with my hair fetish lace and knot eraser kit on the parting space and went over that with some of my Maybelline Fit Me powder. That did the trick, okay? Thank God. This unit, I said, she's 350 to 400 degrees heat safe. She features your soft, transparent lace. They don't really give you that many specs about her. Now, they don't really give you that many specs about my girl, but, you know, I hope I didn't pay too much for this wig. Because I feel like she should be in that $30 price range, in which I hope she was. And I tried this this 5G True HD lace from It's a Wig before in a crimped unit. It was a middle part crimped unit, and that girl was gorgeous. I'll have to include a picture of that one in the video. I think it was sometime last year when I reviewed it. I think it was last year. I think, because, y'all, since the panorama, all them days and months be going together. But I'll have to include a picture for you guys, and I love that one. So I thought I was going to get that same, you know, feeling with this one, and really not so much. You know, she's not bad. She can be a moment, especially if you like your crimps, because I think crimps are still in. They still on trend. So, yeah. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I did get a little bit of shedding with her. I didn't really get any tangling because I didn't brush through it. I just finger combed it. But I didn't get snagged up that way. I did have to go in and trim some of the hair off the ends, because for some reason I had some extra long hair, so I went and clipped those off. And that's about it. So make sure you stick through to the end if you want the full deets of what I had to do to kind of tame my girl down some and make her presentable. Make her come out the house worthy, okay? But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already done so, click the subscribe button down below. Click the notification bell so you can stay in tune for all my latest videos. I thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and blessings.